In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust and disable search suggestions in Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want a cleaner search experience, reduce distractions, or stop Firefox from showing search engine suggestions while you type. It only takes a minute, and I'll walk you through it step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Firefox tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the menu button. This is the button with the three horizontal lines, and it opens up the main Firefox menu. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the Firefox settings page where you can control different browser preferences and features. On the left side or within the settings page, click on Search. This section is where Firefox keeps all the options related to searching, search engines, and search behavior. Now scroll down until you find the search engine suggestions section. This is the area that controls whether Firefox shows suggestions from your search engine while you type in the address bar or search box. To disable search suggestions, simply untick the option that says Show Search Suggestions. As soon as you turn this off, Firefox will stop displaying those suggested searches, giving you a more private and simplified search experience. If you ever want to turn them back on later, just come back to this same section and tick the box again. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted and disabled search suggestions in Firefox. It's a quick setting change, but it can make a big difference if you want more control over your browsing and search experience. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.